The MicroMarvels Monocular Microscope offers a wide magnification range from 40 times to 2,000 times, giving clear views of everything from basic plant cells to finer microbiological details that beginner models usually miss. Its combination of wide-field eyepieces, a 2 times Barlow lens, and metal achromatic objectives delivers surprisingly sharp, bright images that feel close to what you would expect from an entry-level laboratory microscope. The circular stage design keeps the instrument compact and easier to handle, while also reducing the chance of bumping corners, which makes it more comfortable and safer for home and classroom use. Coaxial, coarse, and fine focusing controls make it straightforward to snap into focus quickly and then gently refine the image, so even new users can dial in crisp detail without frustration. The bundled accessories, including prepared and blank slides, cover slips, basic tools, a phone adapter, and a protective case, turn it into a complete starter lab that is ready to use right out of the box. Its portable build and eye-safe design make it well suited for adults and students who want one microscope that can move between home, school, and outdoor fieldwork without feeling fragile or complicated.